सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, good evening, good afternoon, everyone, all of the student. Today I am going to discuss about our grade of the class 9 related to the second terminal examination, and uh, look it very carefully and prepare uh, for the second terminal examination. Okay, and let's share the screen first of all. Uh, okay, and grade for class 9. This is the for first terminal examination, and in second terminal examination the unit of the second terminal examination are there are, look at here, they are the histology and the life processes, nature and environment, source of energy, wave, some gases, and we have the there is the units, and the teaching hour also, and we have the 10 days revision course, and this is the these are the name of the unit which we are studied in the say for preparing studying during the time of the second terminal examination. First one is histology and life processes, second one nature and environment, third source of the energy, waves, fourth, and the some gases, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 only unit only. And in we already studied about the in first terminal examination, we read about their scientific study, classification of organism, life cycle of the mushroom, force and motion, machine, atomic structure and chemical bond, chemical reaction. The question also comes from the they are the they are the units which we are already studied in the first terminal examination, but most of the question are come from the their second terminal courses or unit. Okay, and let us discuss about the grade. There is the specific grade for the first terminal examination, but it is not necessary. I already discussed it you in the class, and now I am going to the specification grade for the second terminal examination. Okay, in second terminal examination, in exam there are the knowledge type question, understanding type question, application type question, and higher ability type question. Knowledge type, in knowledge type question you have to give the definition of the some uh, things that we are studied in knowledge type question, definition type question, and understanding type question. You have to understand the course and you have to use your knowledge to write the answer of this question in understanding type of the question. And in application type of question you have to apply, use formula and do the numerical, or you have to apply your knowledge in some term. And in higher ability there are some figure or that type of, you have to look it, you have to use the your mind, and you think higher, you properly use your mind and you give the answer in a higher ability question. Okay, in scientific learning, one MCQ from the scientific learning, one MCQ and one short answer question comes. Total marks 3. MCQ 1 and short question answer 2. And total marks scientific studies is 3. And both the question are come from the understanding type. And classification of organism, one MCQ, one very short answer question, one SAQ. Total marks 4. Life cycle of mushroom, one VSAQ, one SAQ, and one MCQ. Total marks 4. And force and motion. Look at here in the force and motion. One very short answer question, one LAQ. Okay, in force and motion, there are in first terminal examination there are the two LAQ comes from this unit, and in second terminal examination also one long question come from here, and the 4 marks question. Long question means 4 marks question. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, machine. From machine, one very short answer question, one MCQ, and one short answer question. Total marks 4. And atomic structure and the chemical bonding, one MCQ and one LAQ. Look at here. From the atomic structure and chemical bond, also one long question, 4 marks question comes, and total marks is 5. Chemical reaction, from chemical reaction, one very short answer question and one short answer question comes, total marks 3. Okay, and now we go to the our lesson we studied in the second terminal examination. Before here, only 3, 4 or maximum 5 marks from one unit, maximum 5 marks question comes, but there histology and life processes 10, 9, 8 or maximum marks question are coming from there the second term examination. Okay, here histology and life processes, one SAQ, one LAQ, one MCQ, one SAQ, and one BSAQ, and understanding type, one SAQ, one LAQ, application type, one MCQ and one SAQ, and higher evaluative type, one BSAQ. Total marks 10 marks. Maximum marks come from this unit. Look at here, 10 marks question come from this unit, histology and life processes. Next one is but one LAQ also come, short question also come. All the question are come from this unit. Okay, nature and environment, one SAQ, one MCQ, one LAQ, and one SAQ. One LAQ also come from here. Okay, long question. Okay, 9 marks. Total marks is 9 marks. Source of energy, from source of energy also one LAQ, one LAQ. One BSAQ, one SAQ, and one MCQ. Total marks 8. And from the unit, they are the wave wave from the unit wave, there are uh, uh, from the unit wave, there are one SAQ, one BSAQ, one LAQ, one MCQ, and one SAQ. Total 10 marks from the wave. Okay, from the wave, total 10 marks question comes. One SAQ, 1 marks, one sorry 2 marks, one BSAQ, 2 plus 1 3, one LAQ, 3 plus 4 7, one MCQ, one MCQ. They are the 8 and one SAQ, 9, 10. Total 10 marks. Look at the op. There it is not seen clearly, but they in op, one SAQ, one VSAQ, one LAQ, one MCQ, and one SAQ are there. Total marks 10 marks. And from gases, one MCQ, one VSAQ, one SAQ, one SAQ, and one LAQ. Total marks 10. As a total MCQ, 10 marks MCQ are comes. They are the 10 MCQ, number of the question 10, and 1 marks for each, total marks 10. And first in exam, you have to complete the MCQ. And after that, when you submit it, you get the another subjective question, BSAQ. 9 marks, 9 question are there, and 1 marks for each. 9 into 1 9. SAQ, 14 SAQ are there, 14 into 2 28, and LAQ, 7 LAQ are there, 7 into 4 28, and total marks is 75. Okay, 75. And there the LAQ is come from the unit gases. From gases, one LAQ. From the wave also we have one LAQ, and similarly from energy also one LAQ come. Nature and environment has also LAQ. Histology and life processes has also LAQ. But uh, in previous unit that we already studied in the first terminal examination, LEQ come from force and motion, and atomic structure and the chemical bonding. And maximum marks is that uh, 10 marks from the gases and waves, this is equal, and 10 marks, okay, from histology and life processes and nature and gases and waves, 10 marks are comes. And after that maximum is 9 marks from the nature and environment, and source of energy from 8 marks. And in previous also come, okay. uh, Best of luck for your examination. Prepare in this way. And I also make one video related to the important question. If you are, uh, I think it is helpful for you for your preparation. Okay. And uh, at last, I give you the very best wishes for your second terminal examination. Prepare by looking from this grid, and prepare all the read the all the there the notes you prepare in the class, and there the topics we are focused, mainly focused. And I also give you the revision question. I also make the video of the revision question if you are interested, and if its video is benefit for you, please look it and ask what kind of the video I made in next video. Okay, thank you so much. This was for today. Okay, bye bye.